Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get your brand name correctly and having a lot of suggestions using AI generative. So before that guys, please subscribe to the channel in order to keep up the work and so on. So I will open browser and then I will press name links. Then I will go to the first link, which is the name links one. So here guys, you want to get the keywords of your business area, let's say e-commerce, clothes, mail. So I have a e-commerce project related to clothes only for mail. Like I will generate via that keyword. Here the name style, which is I can get the auto, which is all styles combined. Brandable names like Google Roblox, short phrase. I will go for brandable names. I will go for next. Select generation randomness, which is I will get balanced or random ideas, more variant results, and so on. Or like the most direct names ID. I will go for this one. Then I will go for the brand info. Then e-commerce project that sells clothes for male. I can then generate. It will get some moments of the best thing. There you go, guys. The best names that I can have: Gentline, Menclio, Steve, Canvla, Styly, Jockeyfy, Novlo, and so on. There is a lot of names here, guys. That's it, guys. How you can get a real name for that, and you can have a real brand of it, and you will have various of logos and so on. So you will find something like this one, the logos, you can download it and so on. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Peace.